Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is July 9th, 2022. And Bitcoin has one more leg up, okay? There's one more leg up, very likely to be printed in Bitcoin's price action in this move. If you'd like to know when that is likely to hit its target as well as where it's likely to hit its target, then watch until the very end. Also, I'm going to tell you what that may very well mean for altcoins. All right, so stay tuned. All right, I hope you're having a great Saturday wherever you are. Here I am, or here we are rather, on the 4-hourly chart, okay? Great chart to see intraday price action as well as larger time frame moves. And I've changed my Elliott wave count on this impulse right here. As you can see, this impulse that I've since channeled, okay, in this blue channel. And instead of having us in wave 4 at this point, I think this was wave 4, okay? And I'm going to tell you why. So first and foremost, we know that according to the guideline of alternation, right? If the second wave is sharp, okay, the fourth wave tends to be flat, okay, and that's what we got here. We had a sharp zigzag wave, it seems, in wave 2. And what I read as being a triangle wave, I think is not a triangle wave. Rather, it was a wave 1, sharp wave 2, and then a leading diagonal into wave 3. It wasn't that this was all a contiguous correction, but this was wave 1, wave 2, and then this was a leading diagonal of wave 1 of the subsequent minor degree. Okay, if you can count this as being primary. All right, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. In any case, that would mean that this is our triangle or complex flat correction, and that is, I think, the more reasonable read. Also, it works with our Fibonacci extension, right? If we take our Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of wave 1, top of wave 1, retracement of wave 2, we can see that wave 3 falls just where we think it should, between the 1618 and the 2 Fibonacci extension. So that's exactly where we got wave 3, and then wave 4 corrects from there. So this is, I think, a more plausible, more probable count on this extension, okay? And so that means we have yet to print wave 5, hence the title of this analysis, we have one more wave to go. All right. And I think that this wave, this fifth wave, is going to be extended. Why do I think it's going to be extended? 2 reasons. Firstly, you are clearly in some sort of W pattern, okay? And you're at the neckline of that, all right? And I've designated the neckline with this line. So once you break significant resistance, right? This was resistance here, 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 and here, right? 4 touch points rejected every single time. Once you break significant resistance, you usually pump the distance of that the preceding pattern, okay? So if we take a line tool really quickly from the bottom of this vertex, all right, to the top, and then, whoops, don't want to take that. Don't want to take it like that. I want to move it. Here we go, 3 times a charm. And you take it and you superimpose it from the neckline. You see that you get around 25K, a little shy of 25K, 24.9, let's say, okay? And that is confluent with the channel that I made of this impulse. Okay, I basically connected the highs of wave 1 and 3 and the lows of wave 2 and 4, and that would give us a wave 5 high at 24.9. Okay, and that would be around the 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, more or less. Okay, according to this channel. Remember, time is just another aspect of analysis, just like price is, right? It's just another axis, right? Price, time. Time is definitely predictable. It's okay, let me say this. Let me put it in a different way. There are patterns in charts that you can see with price, just as there are patterns in charts that you can see in time. It's just not too many people do time-based analyses. But you can very well do the same type of analysis you do with price as you can do with time and vice versa. Okay, so sometimes it helps to find confluence in your reads with price and time, right? To kind of corroborate a potential read, right? So that's kind of more advanced charting. Okay, second reason, I said there were two reasons. Second reason that I think it's possible we get this 24.9 target is if we take waves 1 through 3, so I'm at the bottom of wave 1, okay? I take my Fibonacci extension tool to the top of wave 3, retracement of wave 4, and there. I get the one extension for my wave 5, okay? Now, we all know that typically wave 5 extends to around the 618 Fibonacci extension of wave 3, okay? Which is based, oh, no. Sorry, let me do that again. Let me take the bottom of wave 3, top of wave 3, retracement of wave 4. I was doing it as if it were a leading diagonal, which it may be, but let me do this first. Okay, here we go. So we typically get the 618 Fibonacci extension for regular wave 5, right? So you take wave 3, retracement of wave 4, you expect to get the 618 extension, which is still possible. But given our pattern analysis, I think it's more likely that we hit the extended wave 5, and that extension of wave 5 would be at the 1, 2, 3, 6, which it's not that there's a hard and fast rule that your extended wave 5 has to come to the 1, 2, 3, 6, when you would expect a regular wave 5 to come to the 618, but it's just a discrete level. So all of these Fibonacci extension levels, right? You have patterns, you have tendencies, right? That you see occasionally that, okay, in an extension of a leading diagonal, you typically get the 1618 extension. But I'm just noting that it's a clean measurement at the 1, 2, 3, 6 for this extended wave 5. And that's essentially twice the 618, right? So twice the 618 gives you the 1, 2, 3, 6. So I think that this is what you get. You get twice the 1, 2, 3, 6, and just as this, and here's the symmetry here. So let's just say this distance is x, right? And who says math doesn't help, right? You did all your grade school math, and now you're making money using math later on, trading crypto. Awesome, right? And now you have this same distance is also x. Whoops. You see what I mean, though? I messed that up, but you know what I mean. So this is more or less the same distance, right? Because we measured the height of this pattern, and then we just measured it again here. So basically, you're 2xing it using your pattern analysis, and then using your Fibonacci extension of the third wave, retracement of the fourth wave, that you're 2xing your usual target of 618, and you're getting the 236. Okay, so that's kind of like the confluence. That's not for sure. I'm just saying it's probable for those two reasons that we're going to get approximately a $25,000 Bitcoin at approximately this time, the 11th of July, at 8 p.m., right? And the 11th of July would be Monday at 8 p.m. So that would be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, means that the daily candle just closed. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Okay, now what does this mean for altcoins? As you can see, altcoins have done decently during the time that Bitcoin has been correcting in this wave 4 correction. Okay, altcoins have also made their little corrections, and they've been a little frustrating because it seems as if we've been in this consolidation right here for so long. Okay, we've literally been in the same consolidation for 26 days, for a month. Okay, and we've yet to break out. We kind of came to the neckline here, rejected. We're coming back again. I think this time we're going to break out. Okay, and reason being is some altcoins like Dodo are just on the precipice and have just peeked their head right above these W patterns. So when these W patterns break, you will see a lot of positive price action in altcoins, and that's what I'm expecting, right? While Bitcoin breaks its W pattern, altcoins will also break theirs. Okay, so this is what I expect altcoins to do. I think Cardano is going to break its W pattern. Dodo is going to break its W pattern. Kadena is going to break its W pattern. Litecoin's, but you see the consistency in the analysis. Just a bunch of W patterns right here. Okay, here. This is the neckline for this one, that are on the verge of breaking. Okay, this is less so a W pattern, but you can kind of see this consolidation has been running for quite some time. Reserve rights still, yet to break its resistance right here. It's been in this resistance for quite some time, since the 29th of June. Okay, and then finally, last but not least, Telcoin, same thing. You have a big W pattern and you've been under this resistance for quite some time. Again, I'll repeat this. Good trading is good patience, okay? You took your positions here, whether you're underwater or not. You may be a little underwater, you may be a lot underwater, relatively speaking, but risk to reward is in your favor if you're long, because it's very likely that this pattern complete, okay, and we come up here before consolidating once again. So this is what I'm seeing on the charts. That's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. This is what I'm seeing for altcoins at the same time. And to tie that up, let's jump into the Bitcoin dominance chart. My friends, if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. Would greatly appreciate it. We're on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin dominance. I think that dominance is going to shoot up a little more, okay? A little more as Bitcoin hits its target, right, in the next couple of days. Now, if we put a Fibonacci retracement tool on this impulse, okay, this one right here, I think that all we need to do is touch the 382, because the 382 represents the minimum retracement of a wave 2, okay? Do you see where I'm going here? Dominance is going to go up a little bit, okay? And this would make a wave 2 correction. This was wave 1. If this was wave 1 and wave 2 comes here, what's next? That's when alts really start running. So this is the beauty of this whole sort of, not plan, but this setup, is if Bitcoin dominance indeed does go up, it's going up to go down, because remember, it is clearly in a downtrend. This is strong, impulsive, not price action, but strong, impulsive action, a trend. And this is a corrective trend. And then this is only wave one of the trend. This is clearly wave two. Expect a massive wave three. And that is, my friends, a huge part of alt season right here. And we're literally on the brink of it, right? Why are we on the brink of a massive alt season? Because dominance is correcting in a wave two. And we all know wave three tends to be the longest and the most impulsive of Elliott waves. And although this isn't an asset that's traded on a free and fair open market, still the idea or the principles of Elliott wave patterns still apply to Bitcoin dominance because it's reflective of assets that are traded on an open market. So hope that helps. Hope that's useful. Like, share, and subscribe once again, and have a great Saturday, my friends. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.